Hey everybody, I'm making this the second part of the setup for a Twitter newsletter. This is primarily for list building, and when you set this up, then you can use it instead of a squeeze page, and an opt-in page, and allow people to sign up to your newsletter for free. You get their email, and then you can send using this Twitter newsletter system. Twitter partnered with a Git review. Okay, so after clicking continue on that, they didn't accept my name, but I changed it to KM Perry, and they accepted that. So it takes you to this app issues current, and to their create system, and displays the newsletter title and says issue number 1, and then I can go in here and then begin adding text and everything, and so it's this is the URL that they give you here, okay, where I can go ahead and have people sign up. So it's going to be get, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, if it's review or revenue, I'm not sure, but I'm going to say getreview.co and then profile on KM Perry. And so this is where you'd sign up. And then you can, I'm not sure what Connect Pocket is, but you can connect your Facebook and Twitter here, and then you can schedule your issues as well. So I'm going to go ahead and set up an initial one here really quick and pause the video. Okay, so I took a couple of minutes, and about 5 or 6, and I wrote a quick intro here, ready to learn about new marketing breakthroughs, and then hello and welcome to Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Introduce myself, and let them know that they're going to learn about some stuff that other marketers never learn. Stay tuned. In the meantime, visit my website. Also, I'm including a video on how to quickly build a list of local business owners that you can market services to over and over for years and become a local marketing hero. And then I've got the link down here. Of course, any of you can view that. And, if you sign up to the newsletter here. And, basically just sign it. And then if I clicked link to put in the link to the YouTube video here. I clicked add text to add the text. In media, I haven't gotten that far with it, but it's my understanding that you can drag and drop different media that you've done, stuff in Facebook or Twitter, different tweets, things like that. I'll explore that a little bit in the future. Right now, I wanted to let everybody know that it's really simple to come in and set this up, and it's just dirt simple. And so that's my message to you at this moment. I'm going to pause the video again here. Okay, so I'm going to click on Schedule Issue down here, and it's going to say, who are you going to set it to, and I'm going to click on Add Subscribers, and I'm going to click on Add Own Email Address to test. All right, and let me see here. All right, so my own email address, KMPerry here at Gmail. Okay, and all 1, members 0. Of course, there's no email addresses to search for. Just a moment here. Okay, I'm gonna since my email is already in here, and I was looking around at different options and stuff. Here's where you can export subscribers, for instance. You can get a list, you can export it, so you own the list. That's the cool thing here. And add subscribers, you can import from MailChimp or manually add a subscriber or import from a CSV file. Okay, so the message is you can import a list and export a list. Now, don't go buy some junk list or anything, but if you do have your own opt-in list, then the cool thing here is that this system, because it's working with Twitter, it has to be whitelisted everywhere. So if you've had delivery issues and you've got a list somewhere, this might be a good way to go in conjunction with whatever autoresponder you have. So I'm going to go over to issues here. All right, and now click on schedule issue. Okay. Let's see. You didn't change the email subject line. Are you sure you're ready to send? I'm just sending it myself, so it doesn't really matter right now. Current subject, breakthrough marketing secrets issue number 1. When would you like to send this issue? Send it now. Okay. We're going to be doing a lot of other things with this. I'm going to be doing here, so you can see that a little bit better. I'm going to be doing other issues, but I'm also going to be doing other things with this in conjunction with LinkedIn and Twitter, which are going to be very, very cool. I'm going to keep you apprised. This is like a whole series on how to set up a free bulk email system and build a list. That's what we're doing. This is just the second video. So I'm going to click Send Now. Are you sure you want to send this issue now? Yes, send now. All right. I'm going to pause the video again for a second here. Okay, I'm in my inbox, and it came here, so this is what it looks like. And Breakthrough Marketing Secrets, issue number 1. Breakthrough Marketing Secret, it's kind of cut off there a little bit. And there we go, there we go. Everything came through, the link, clickable. Okay. And the video, clickable. So it works. It not only works, I believe that working with Twitter, I'm not real big on Twitter, but working with Twitter, I believe that we can, attain a clean send system and, do things that we couldn't do before, and the price is right, of course. I mean, my God, it's free. So the other thing about this system is that they are set up for you to charge for newsletters if you so desire. They work with, I believe it's Stripe. And there's other things too, different analytics and integrations that I'll be going into in the future. But I just wanted to show you how easy and fast this was to set up today. And, I encourage everybody here, if you're doing any kind of email marketing, then, go ahead and set this up. Just at least get it set up. Think about a name, do what I just did, follow what I did. Take a look at it, because we're going to be able to, run this and run, messaging. See here. Here we go back here. Well, I won't go back into it right now, but basically you can push this out to Twitter. And so what we're going to do is we're going to integrate a collective system with a new software that I have, and we're going to use this as a central way to collect people here in this newsletter from LinkedIn groups, Facebook groups, and Twitter simultaneously, so that we can, and we're going to automate a bunch of processes so we can automatically build an opt-in email list of people that we can send our marketing messages to with a whitelisted system that's free. That's the agenda. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll have another video probably next week on this.